What's up YouTube? It's Sag Tries. I'm back again. This time I'm going to be trying to make a shelf over top of my laundry machines here. Things were getting a bit cluttered in here, so it's time to clean things up a little bit. So I'm going to be making the shelf out of 2x2s and a little bit of plywood. So hopefully this works out for us. Either way, I'm going to get started with the measuring tape. Alright, so the painter's tape is up now. I've made my markings and my measurements. It's going to be 40 inches from side to side, and it can't go all the way back because of that vent pipe back there. That means we're just going to support it from both sides, and I'm going to do that using 3 wall anchors for this project. So I'm here getting my wood cut at Home Depot. They make it super easy. I just bring them the measurements and I select the wood. And we're on our way. We've cut a 40-inch piece on the bottom and a 40-inch piece for the top. And in between, I cut them to 21 inches just because we're gonna have an 1.5 inches added on each end. So in total, the shelf is gonna be 40 by 24. I also got this melamine hardboard, which will work perfect for this project. It's a smooth finish, it's white so I don't have to paint it. And I also got this 1.5 inch piece here, which will act as a faceplate. So now I've got all my tools ready. I've got some screws and some glue as well. So we're ready to start pre-drilling some holes, gluing it, and screwing it together. As you can see, we've marked it there. I'm just going to be putting these wood screws into the front and back plates, just pre-drilling it. So when we glue things together, it's going to be a little bit easier. So let's get this one started. So we got our glue here. Just going to put a little bit on each side here. A little bit is fine. Gotta wipe away the excess glue. Voila, we are done with the frame of the shelf now. It's pretty damn sturdy too. So I've just marked out a few spots on the wall here where I want to put my anchors. And I just use this painter's tape so I can save the wall a bit. Wow, so much for painter's tape. Now I've transferred those markings from the wall onto the structure here, and I'm just making some pilot holes so we can easily put in some screws and put it into the wall. So now that we've got our holes made over there in the laundry room, our holes in the structure here, we can actually throw on this this hardboard on top. Let's get this faceplate on now. I've put in the screws with some washers before I put it in. You might want to actually put these screws in before you put the hardboard on, just because it's kind of tough to turn the screws. So something that I learned. And then I've also marked, you know, with that marking that we had before, where it's going to go on the wall over here. So check it out. And that means that the start is going to be right there where I've marked it. We're ready to put the shelf in now. We're gonna pop it in, but we're also going to put the bottom piece with it as well, not nailed in. See, if we pre-drill the holes bigger, Not too big, obviously, but bigger, then these screws will go in super easy. There we go. It's gonna be a tough part, but I'm gonna try and attach this up here. Maybe I could use wood glue, but I forgot the wood glue on these ones anyway, so fuck it. Sometimes you just gotta think smart, even if you're not. Shelf's up now, and it's all good. We've got the boards on as well, so you can see it's nice and smooth. It's got a white finish, so it matches everything else. I mean, I did mess up here on the paint a little bit, but it's no big deal. We can touch that up. But anyway, if I can try it and do it, then you can too. So I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.